Gaza is one of the most ancient cities in the world. It sits in the middle of the Gaza Strip, an area that is forbidden to Israelis for obvious reasons. Join us in this trip, riding along the strip borders between green fields and dark prophecies. No mountains and no breathtaking views awaits you here, but a strong hope for better times. You live the day, you write the dream. Good morning and welcome back. You've been wondering where we've been. Well, it's the COVID situation to be blamed. And not because we had too many patients here, not because I was sick or anything like that, just because many of the staff in the hospitals were becoming positive for the virus, and therefore we had a shortage in manpower. So it was really hard to arrange any kind of trip. But we're back now and spring is almost in the air, although the weather today is going to be a bit shitty, as they say, because they said it's going to rain, it's going to be foggy, I don't know, maybe sandstorms, so we are going south. The Gaza Strip is a Palestinian enclave on the eastern coast of the Mediterranean Sea. It borders Egypt on the southwest for 11 kilometers and Israel on the east and north along a 51-kilometer border. Our ride of the first day started late and took us from Tel Aviv south to Kibbutz Gvulot along the Israeli coastal city of Ashkelon, where we all met. Hey, good afternoon. I'm at home now. The motorcycle is completely packed. As you can see, they promised us rain and wind and whatever, God knows what they did, but so far it looks like the sun just came out, so it might be a dry ride. Most of the ride to Ashkelon is going to be on highway, so I don't think it will be so interesting. I guess I will see you again in our meeting point in the gas station in Ashkelon, unless something else is going to happen. On the way, I'm just going to pick up Yael and Jerry, and we are going to ride the three of us together to the meeting point. So let's hope that we'll have a nice day. At the Ashkelonian gas station, we took the time to fill the tanks, and everybody were excited to meet each other after a long time. Soon enough, we were on our way. Hey, sister. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm thrown in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. No shoes, no tricks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than this. יאללה שיש, נוסעים. Gaza was part of the Ottoman Empire before it was occupied by United Kingdom, Egypt and then Israel, which in 1993 granted the Palestinian Authority in Gaza limited self-governance through the Oslo Accords. Since 2007, the Gaza Strip has been de facto governed by Hamas, which claims to represent the Palestinian National Authority and the Palestinian people. The earliest major settlement in the era was at Tel al-Sakan and Tal al-Ajul, two Bronze Age settlements that served as administrative outposts for ancient Egyptians' governance. The Philistines, mentioned frequently in the Bible, were located in the region, and the early city of Gaza was captured by Alexander the Great in 332 BC during his Egyptian campaign. Following the death of Alexander, Gaza, along with Egypt, fell under the administration of the Ptolemaic dynasty. The city of Gaza was destroyed by the Hashmonaim king Alexander Yanai in 96 BC and re-established under Roman administration during the 1st century. The Gaza region was moved between different Roman provinces over time, from Judea to Syria, Palestina to Palestina Prima. During the 7th century, the territory was passed back and forth between Eastern Roman, which was called Byzantine Empire, and the Persian empires. During the Crusades, the city of Gaza was reported to be mostly abandoned and in ruins. The region was placed under direct administration of the Knights Templar during the Kingdom of Jerusalem. It was traded back and forth several times between Christian and Muslim rule during the 12th century, until the Mongol ruler Ulugh Khan destroyed the city. In the wake of the Mongols, the Mamluk Sultanate established control over Egypt and the eastern Levant, and would control Gaza until the 16th century, when the Ottoman Empire absorbed the Mamluk territories. Ottoman rule continued until the years following World War I, when the Ottoman Empire collapsed and Gaza formed part of the League of Nations British Mandate of Palestine. As we headed south, the traffic became less crowded, and the beautiful sunset that ignores stupid human conflicts escorted us to our final destination, Kibbutz Gvulot. Gvulot, the village, was established on land owned by the Jewish National Fund on 12th of May 1943 by immigrants from Romania and Turkey. It was the second modern Jewish settlement in the Negev and the first in the Gaza area. It was recognized as a kibbutz in 1946. Interesting to know is that Duran Duran leader singer Simon Le Bon worked on Kibbutz Gvulot. While here, he wrote early lyrics for Careless Memories, Sound of Thunder, and Tel Aviv. On arrival, we took the keys to our rooms from the reception and headed each to his room. After a short rest, we all met at the local famous pub for dinner and drinks. Riders need to eat, so this is why we came to the most famous pub in this area, the Gvulot pub. Let's see.
הנה MRI של דרור. דרור ב-MRI. אוהד, יש לך מקום או אין לך מקום? מה נסגר?
Every member of the Geriatric Motorcycle Group knows well that it is a custom already to participate in a trip quiz that this time was held out in the open in front of Jerry and Savion's room. The questions were not easy, but the atmosphere was light and enforced by good wine and old friendships. We all went to sleep late at night, felt secured with the Kibbutz Cat security squad that was watching over us during the night. So this is the end of day one. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget also to join us in our second day of the trip, where we learn more about this region. See you in our next video.